Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
Collect in one place. We assembled in the church basement. Foregather, gather, meet. Get people together. Assemble your colleagues. Gather, get together. Create by putting components or members together. Piece, put together, set up, tack together.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.